It is definitely climbing. Okay, number 3. Carolina Reaper, 7-pot, Dole, whatever, and a double shot of Butcher Logia Ghost Pepper. That is number 3. My lips are on fire, but nothing major inside. My tongue, a little bit.
You can feel the levels climbing.
It is definitely this. Oh, this one looks. Woo! This one looks a little bit a different story.
Looks much hotter. Yeah.
Ah, yeah, this one looks a bit spicy. There you go. You happy?
Let's go.
This one looks
Done. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Now we're talking.